Hi everyone, my name is Shaun Boe. I'm the Associate Dean Research in the Faculty of Health at Dalhousie University. With all the changes that have happened in the past few weeks, I thought it was a good opportunity to get in touch with our faculty and staff and students just to send a message related to ways that we can move forward in these unprecedented times. Certainly, I never thought that I would be in a situation where the university would be suspending all research activities. This is something that's happening not just at Dalhousie, but of course across Canada and even internationally. And so the suspension of research has kind of altered the way that we do our business every day. And it's impacting on our faculty and our research staff and also on our graduate students. I just wanted to take a chance to tell you a little bit about how my research group has been trying to move forward during these times when we haven't been able to do the activities that we're used to. So before research was suspended at Dalhousie and we could be there physically in our research spaces, I used to meet with my graduate students. At least every single one of them, I met with them once a week. And then we would have lab meetings every 2 weeks where we brought the whole group together. This is a really important activity for us because it gives us a chance to update and get together as a group and talk about what's been happening in the lab and how we can move forward. With the suspension of research activities, we've been taking advantage of platforms like Teams or Zoom, and we've been continuing to do these lab meetings. And I think it's been a really good activity in the sense that, we've been able to get together, we provide updates about what's happening in the university. Students have even been able to do practice talks for their proposal defenses or other activities that they're getting up to. Our honor students just presented their posters online for us. And the feedback from the students has been very positive in the sense that they feel like they're part of something. They still feel like they're able to move forward. Similarly, I've been meeting with students one-on-one using these platforms, and as I just mentioned, we've been talking about how they can continue to move forward in their graduate programs, types of activities they can engage in. And again, the feedback has been very good in the sense that they feel like they're not totally stalled, even though they're not able to be in the lab collecting data. And so, for all of us, I think it's provided a sense of normalcy, in these definitely uncertain times. So I would encourage you to try to continue to keep those lines of communications open with your students, and for the students to reach out to your supervisors to have these discussions. In the meantime, I think that we all have a role to play in trying to slow or stop the spread of this virus. As you might tell from the background here, my family and I are out on the eastern shore of Nova Scotia, where social distancing is relatively easy to do. I would encourage us all to follow guidelines from our public health officials related to social distancing, with the goal that we can, return to all the different activities that we'd like to do and lessen the impact, of this pandemic on society. So until the next time, stay well and stay healthy, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.